come out the camper, TT.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiana Turner. Today, we're gonna make some yummy funnel cakes. Step 1, pour the funnel cake mix. I'm just using some funnel cake from 5 and Below, and you can have any type of funnel cake mix you want. And we're gonna pour the funnel cake mix inside of a frying pan. And I'm making a T for my name, which is Tiana. And I'm gonna try and make the shape of it. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of like a sideways T. Then all we gotta do is just wait and flip it. And you need to wait until the other side is kind of brownish. And then and you need to flip it. And you're gonna need an adult's supervision to help flip it. Can you see the T a little bit? Get a plate and it's 2 plates, but I'm just using 1 plate. And done. Hold the plate like this. And don't forget about the powdered sugar. Sugar. I like sugar. Especially powdered sugar is good. Shake, 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 shake. And I'm just pulling the lever of it. I like shaking. And you can make whatever topping you want. And I'm going to add some chocolate syrup, Hershey's. You can get strawberries, fruit, whatever you want. See the tea a little bit? And I'm just adding some strawberries. Drip, drip, drip. Right there, right there. They're so juicy. Well, they're not that juicy. And those strawberries came from my grandmother's garden. I love strawberries. Nom, 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 nom. So good. Yummy. Now we're going to add some agave nectar.
Agave is a succulent.
Agave is a succulent
that you can grow in your home.
That you can grow in your home.
And the best part is that it's a natural source of sugar.
And the best part is that it is a natural source of sugar.
And for the vegans.
And for the vegans.
Vegan. So say, and for the vegans.
And for the vegans.
You can use this instead of honey.
You can use this instead of honey. It is like honey. And I'm done.